you asking me how fast it can be done, right? What results to expect, or
Yes, let's say 100 listings.
okay, let's do this. Sam, can you share with Robert some of the new accounts and some of the old ones? Is it possible? We have experience with accounts from that works without any suspension from more than a year. And we have very bad experience with account that we start today and they stop it tomorrow. It's a risk. It's much more easy for USA people to manage that business. You can open account in every bank very, very fast. You can open new LLC account very fast. So we have ability to manage the accounts for US people more easy than any other country, because people from Bulgaria are restricted. They do this very very slow. Most of the banks want to go there locally. So this some maybe this is not new account.
Okay, this is one of account. You can see that we have like around 795 orders are still unshipped, and we shipped around 5,000 orders. Okay, it's this account will only work like last couple of months. Yeah, maybe 6 months. Okay, let me give you last 2 months report or last month report only. Okay. So this is last month report, and this is last month order. Okay, and about account health, how we keep it. See, this is the account health.
Yeah.
Okay. About feedback, we believe in feedback because it's necessary to get feedbacks to others client to see. I mean, other customers able to see that how good we are providing the customer services. As you can see that in last couple of days, let's take it from 30. See how many feedbacks we get. Yeah, this is the one of the old account. We will go to another old account. We started this account on September. September 11.
And is this your account, or is this one a brand new client?
Client.
A client. Great.
See, this is the sales volume, and this is the order.
Great volume there.
Okay. And let me show you new account. This is like 2 weeks old and it's open around 3 or 4 weeks. We started in December next sem. See, we have only 5 unit order.
Yeah.
$631 because it's a brand new account. It has no feedback actually.
Yeah.
See, there is no feedback. And also there is another new account. As you can see, this is another new account. It's a 1 month old actually. We started. We have around 177 orders. Do you need any more reference to understand?
Not really. I've got a question over that. So you showed me an account with obviously 177 items. The other account at 5. So basically, I was wondering about scaling. So I noticed that account has 177 products. So let's say we launch next week, right? How quickly can we grow from 100 products to 500?
You're talking about sales volume or you're talking about products?
Products.
Listen, we are not focusing on product. We are only focusing on sales volume. It might be we have 50 items in our store inventory, okay, which can bring per day 300 sales. We are not thinking about 1,000 products to get 1,000 sales.
Yeah.
We only have 50 products, which are, let me give you one scenario so that I have to join through my phone. Give me a second.
Yep.
So that I can show you something. Are you guys able to see my phone screen now?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
Yes.
If you check my phone screen, in January 1st, maybe there is a 600K sales. Okay.
Yeah.
And in 600K sales, we have around, at least 100 to 200 orders are there.
Yeah.
But if you check our inventory, let me check inventory. See, there is a 45 items.
Yeah, it's very small, isn't it? I'm just wondering.
Yeah, because we are only focusing the sellable product.
Yeah.
Which can bring more sales.
Yeah.
We do not need 1,000 items to get $1,000 sales. We need maybe 10 products to bring $1,000 sales. This is our motto.
Very hyper focused on high performing products.
First thing, people is not able to do FBM with 1,000 products.
Yeah.
You need to apply your common idea to understand how Amazon think. Okay, you do not have ability to use 1,000 products for your FBM. Might be you can use 50, 100 products for your FBM. You have different suppliers, you can bring them, but it's not able to keep 1,000 items in 100 quantity.
Yeah.
You understand my point?
Yeah.
So we just try to plan according to Amazon.
Yeah.
That
you grow that slowly. Would you grow it slowly over time then, as your account held?
Yes.
Okay.
But if let's suppose that you have 100 feedback. Just assume you have 100 feedback, and you ask me, Sam, or you ask me, I'm just saying, let's put the sale. I need 20K sales in a day. We can do that. We have ability to scale up the business.
Yeah.
But only if account is not pretty new. This is very important here.
Yeah.
In terms of costs, then I'm still very interested in that. So, in terms of costs, so what would be the cost to me initially? Is it billed per hour? Is it billed per month, or how does that work?
Sam, you missed the beginning. Robert has a team, and maybe he will reject the offer to manage all his accounts. Maybe he want to manage them himself or something like that. I told him that we work on the manage all the things from our side, and we do a profit. You can explain about this, and if he reject that opportunity, we will speak to mentorship him or to help him other way. It depends from what he will decide here then.
Mr. Robert, I want to clearly mention those things. If you have your own team, that's really great. Okay, but if you're going to use two different teams, or if you have something in your mind regarding teams, then I will strongly recommend you either way go with your own team or with our team, because there is monetary involvement over there. Okay, there is a huge investment, there is huge transaction day by day. As I told you, there is 10,000 orders. I have already seen show you, correct?
Yep.
So in 10,000 orders, if let's suppose your team is working or our team is working, both are working together. So it will be totally mess. And at the end of month, you are not able to understand who made the mistakes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I strongly recommend you either go with your own team or go with us. It's up to you. It's totally your decision. Okay?
Yeah. I'm going to initially go with your team, because I was saying to Svetlana, we don't have the experience with Amazon. I eventually would like to get my guys trained up, even on a base level. Like, we can always set up another business, set up a bank accounts, and start with our own. But I'd still like it. So you guys have the experience. Why not utilize you guys? You guys are the resident experts.
So Sam will explain exactly what we take, what we do, and what you need to do from your part. And I just will be here and will hear what he will explain, because it's his service actually. Now he do this. Okay, Sam.
Okay. So we charge only 50% of the net profit. Okay, in the end of month, we do not take hourly price, because there is a lot of issues with hourly price from client side, from our side, and which make a lot of fake commitment. Let me tell you the scenario. We also worked for hourly earlier. Client hired one of my team members for hourly. What we did, my team member did, that he works very slowly because client was new, he don't have experience. Okay, so he just keeps scaling the bill, not the actual work. Okay, I can give you, like, let's suppose if you say that Sam, I want to hire you hourly, or I want to hire your team hourly. Okay, what will happen? I can give you like 100 products, which is not like good enough to bring that estimated sales. So what we do, we work commission based so that our client will be on even win-win situation.
Yeah.
Let's suppose at the end of month we do not able to make a good profit, so it will be our loss. It will be like you are not paying upfront anything. You are not paying hourly or not fixed. Okay, so there will be no risk from your end, but it will be risk from our end. If we not able to bring profit, then might be the project will be not ours, or might be we will lose our money because we are working every single day.
Yeah.
So this is our plan to, like, from hourly or fixed to commission based.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's the risk.
Yeah, that's fine. So initially, I get that you guys obviously have to pay your bills. So long term, so in 2 years' time, so account health, first 60 days, obviously very important for you guys to get paid anyway. That's great. I have no issues with that. So when the account grows in 2 years' time, we're making 6 figures. Potentially in 3 years' time, it could be making 7 figures. Would you discuss that again? Obviously, the 50% commission, as any company scales exponentially, that sum of money in 2 years. Something you would consider reevaluating.
Good question, Mr. Robert. But you have to think about it. If you want to scale your business to 6 figures to 7 figures or maybe 10 figures, I'm just take an example. Your backend team is the most important to scale up your business.
Yeah.
And here what we are doing, we need from client end only 2 things: client's account and his investment, and certain things like the buyer account. Okay, that's all. And the rest work will be done by us.
Yeah.
Correct? And end of the day, you will have all the statement. That where we spend the money. Let me tell you one. Let me share my screen one more time to make you understand one thing. Okay, are you able to see that screen which I just shared with you? You can see.
Yeah.
You can understand. This is the credit statement, correct?
Yeah.
As you can see that we purchased. There is a several credit card number. Okay. Yeah. This is Amazon order number. Okay. Our client Amazon order number.
Yeah.
And our purchase number is this one, and for this item purchase we spent $9.98.
Yeah.
So whenever client has want to check whether we're doing a right work or wrong work, so he can easily check those things. Okay, which make any client comfortable that where we spending that money.
Yeah.
Is it clear to you or it's complicated to you?
No. My question was clear. It was on the commission structure. So obviously the commission structure for you guys will be 50%. Now, for 6 months, first year, that's still fine. But as the business grows exponentially, and my question is, would you ever evaluate that structure?
So far we have not decided something like that. So far we are still doing, like we do have plans like 6 years from back, but still they are happy and we are doing in same way, same process. But this is the first question I got you from your end. Yeah. Okay, but I'm not sure. How many accounts you have actually?
How many Amazon accounts?
Yes.
Oh, 200.
You mean 200 buyer accounts, right?
You mean, sorry, I misheard that.
How many Amazon sellers centrally have?
Oh, just the one. It's the one seller central.
Okay, just one seller central. And how long it is working?
So I have my personal one. It's there since 2018. We have a brand new one. It's 2 months old.
Okay, 2 months old. So how long you are doing dropshipping?
Since 2013, I think. But again, not on Amazon. You know, so we use Amazon Business Prime only for cashback and gift cards.
Okay, listen. So you have to understand if you're going to make a 6-figure business or 7-figure or maybe 10-figure, you need to understand that you need to have several seller central. Okay, see, it's not a problem to bring sales for you. I can promise you, I can like give my word that this is not an issue to bring sales.
Yeah.
The issue here, while you're doing dropshipping, Amazon can suspend you anytime. It could be in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, maybe 1 year. They will suspend you. So you need to have some backup plans. Like one of my client has 10 Amazon Seller Central, okay, and he is doing business in that way. So if let's suppose his one account is stopped, okay, but others 9 are still working. So what he will find another account, Amazon Seller Central, and he purchase it, and again he add it on our account.
Yeah.
So in that way, he's cycling his business.
Yeah.
Okay, dropshipping only can bring a lot of profit, but it is not stable. You have to understand. You have to like realize this thing that this is not stable, but it can bring you a good money for you.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you have this clarification in your mind, then you can do 7-figure, 10-figure, whatever you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And about the commission and percentage, whatever you say, still we have not decided. Okay. But yes, if it's like $1 million business you want to create, yeah, definitely me and Mr. Vitan will be there to help you. Obviously, but it's timely. Okay, we will discuss. Let's suppose we can discuss after 1 year.
Sure.
While your business is too high and we are getting good payout, then definitely we can do negotiation. It's everybody did, but for now we can't promise anything.
No, I get that. Yeah, and for that reason, that's a good response. For that reason, I'd like to go ahead with it. Because obviously it is something that we do want to do. And a quick question, how does your other colleague, your other client actually get those seller centrals? Does he create new businesses or does he actually purchase those seller centrals?
There is a two type of things working. Like most of the client, they can find the Amazon Seller Central locally. Locally, in that means, let's suppose you live in USA, okay? You do have friends, family, a lot of people around you. So while you have something in your mind that you want to grow your business through dropshipping, so once they start with one account, then they push his family members. Let's open one account. Like that way. And also, there is a lot of people you can find in Facebook and here and there, they are selling, they are flipping their account. Okay? So you can purchase from there. There is not an issue. There is a lot of people selling an account. And then you need to open a LLC and just like transfer the seller central to your LLC and change your deposit method and withdrawal method. That's all.
Can you have many seller centrals on a LLC?
Yes, we do have account with LLC. We do have individual account with professional plan.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we have an LLC. I do have a last year as well. I do have an EIN or a social security number for the United States. It took me a long time to get it, so I might look into that as well. But yeah, look, I'm still excited about this. So I'd still like to meet my partner. He's not here, unfortunately. I'd like him to be here.
Can we schedule a meeting with him? It's not a problem. Just I will be for first time in vacation 10 days. Last 2 years I worked without a rest day. So I will be off from 7th from tomorrow till 16th. So after I come back, we can from now do some schedule meeting. You can always write here, I'm in vacation, but online stores never stop. So I will be at vacation, but I will reply all the time. And when I come back, we can speak, we can just schedule a meeting. It's not a problem. Do you want to do something now and just to hear your partner after 10 days or something?
Yes. Short answer, yes. We can provisionally book it in for Monday or Tuesday. And what I'll do, he's not on Skype. He didn't download it as well. What I'll do is I'll get him added to the group. I'll get Sam to add him to John, and we'll get something provisionally booked in. So he does work 9 to 5 in a regular job.
It's not a problem. I also can send you some of the calls that I do today here in Skype to review them and to maybe you will find more information. And we will also upload some of the conversations in the channel, so to not have any problem with that. And of course, as I promise you, you will not be shown at any public video or something, maybe only my camera and my voice. I really want to help to people, first to find more clients to some, after that to explain about the business to the people, to know what they can expect. And if you want to work with us, it's not a problem. Just my number one rule here is to start slowly. I don't want to blame anybody. And as I thought, most important thing when I do business is to be stable and everybody to know the risk before he starts. Because I'm not Jeff Bezos. I can't reopen accounts. I can't send the money if they hold them. I'm just a normal human and we can do our best. As you already see, we share live results with you. We are not scammers, but I want every client to know the risk because it is a business. It's not something 100% sure. So I have LLC in USA, in England, in Bulgaria. You will receive invoice for every sale that you made for us, every order that you made for us, to have ability to pay taxes. If you even send me money personally, if you send me money from the Stealth account, I don't care. I will give you invoice because I pay my taxes here. And at the end of every month, once after we generate profit for you, I will send you invoice for that and you will pay for our part of the money. But after you see the results, after you have sales, after you see that everything is fine. So all our clients pay after they receive the good service. That's our rule here.
Yep. We'd like to move forward with it anyway. Very excited to get going. So next couple of days, if Sam wants to send us over not more information about setting up the Seller Central account, access, or guidance on what we need to do next.
Okay, then awesome. Just speak with your partner. Let us know. Let's schedule some meeting. Maybe I can do this at the vacation also. It's not a problem for me. Just to use a phone or laptop, it's not a problem. So let's schedule some meeting. We'll discuss this. And we can start after you're ready with the account and with the card. Of course, we can help you with the account if you want, but because this is not my service. I didn't create fake accounts personally or something like that. So I can't guarantee that the source that we use by now will be correct with you. So I can send you few sites that we use in the past that works, that our clients also use. But I can guarantee that somebody will not steal with bitcoins or something. It's not my part of the job. Just I want to be clear. Then I don't want to blame anybody in my life.
No. We buy eBay accounts in a very similar fashion as well, like this, and it's the Latin word caveat emptor. It's buyer beware. Is what I'm saying. Got to be careful. I'm sure there's a lot of people,
I know. They take your money and go away.
But the most important thing, we are not taking money into your hand.
Yeah. So
we are taking money once you get the money.
Oh yes,
yes. It's come to your bank account, not my bank account, or not Mr. Pitan's bank account.
That's always good. Look, I'm excited. I will share. If you want to send over this video as well, I'll share it with my partner.
Yes.
But definitely, we're definitely interested in proceeding. So whether it's
This
now-
is the reason that we record everything, just to have ability to share with someone else. I am open. I'm here for your questions. If you have something, you can share the video with what person you want. Then it's not a problem.
Sure.
Okay, then bye for now and have a nice day.
You too as well. Thank you so much, Sam. And
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a great day as well.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.